The grass withers, the flower fades, but the word of our God will stand forever. Isaiah chapter 40, verse 8. Just as his word is eternal, so too is the allure of a garden. Where plants thrive and weeds, well, they try their best. Let's dive into the world of clay soil, where every plant has a story, and some are just better at telling jokes. Let's dive into 23 beautiful plants that thrive in clay soil. Like bursts of sunshine, daylilies laugh in the face of challenging clay with resilience and adaptability. The bearded iris, with sword-like leaves and exquisite flowers, thrives in the embrace of clay. A symbol of cheerful resilience, the black-eyed Susan thrives in the sun-drenched expanse of a clay-rich garden, bringing joy. Chapter 4. Coneflower Strength in Diversity. From palest pink to the deepest crimson, the coneflower family, unfazed by the dense grip of clay, paints the garden with vibrant and diverse hues. Chapter 5. Aster Autumn's Colorful Farewell. As the days shorten and summer's warmth fades away, the aster family emerges, bringing a final flourish of vibrant color to the clay-kissed landscape. Chapter 6. Butterfly Weed, a beacon for butterflies, thriving in well-drained, moisture-retentive clay soil. Joe Pye Weed, a towering presence. Reaching for the sky, the stately Joe Pye Weed stands tall in the nurturing embrace of clay. Chapter 8. Goldenrod, a golden embrace. Like a wave of liquid sunshine, goldenrod bursts forth, its vibrant blooms illuminating the garden, its roots unfazed by the challenges of tough clay soil. Chapter 9. Sedum, Jewels of Resilience. From the tiniest ground cover to upright varieties, sedums, with their fleshy leaves and vibrant blooms, thrive in the well-drained embrace of clay soil. Chapter 10. Yarrow, Beauty with a Purpose. Yarrow, with its delicate fern-like foliage and flat-topped flower clusters, thrives in full sun and well-drained clay soil conditions. Chapter 11. Russian Sage, a Wisp of the Steppes. With airy plumes and silvery foliage, Russian sage evokes the vast steppes and finds a home in clay. Hosta, the Serene Shade Lover. In the cool shade, hostas unfurl their majestic leaves, finding moisture and stability in the embrace of clay. Chapter 13. Coral Bells, a Tapestry of Color. Coral bells, with their bell-shaped blooms and foliage ranging from deep purple to chartreuse, paint the clay-rich garden with vibrant and diverse hues. Chapter 14. Astilbe, Elegance in the Shadows. Astilbe, with its feathery plumes, thrives in moist, well-drained, clay-rich soils. Chapter 15. Ligularia, a Love for Moisture. Ligularia, with its large leaves and bright flowers, thrives in the moisture-retentive embrace of clay. Bee Balm, a Symphony of Scent. Bee Balm's aromatic foliage and vibrant blooms attract pollinators, its roots finding purchase in the firm embrace of clay. Chapter 17. Cardinal Flower, a Blaze of Red. Like a spark of fire, the cardinal flower thrives in moist, humus-rich conditions often found in clay. Chapter 18. Japanese Iris, Elegance from the East. The Japanese iris, with its large, intricate blooms, brings oriental elegance to the garden, its roots stable in clay. Chapter 19. Turtlehead, a haven for hummingbirds. Turtlehead, with its unique turtle-shaped blooms, attracts hummingbirds to the garden. Its roots find purchase in the moist embrace of rich clay soil. Swamp milkweed, a lifeline for monarchs. With fragrant blooms and a vital role in the monarch butterfly life cycle, it thrives in moist, clay-rich soils. Chapter 21. Blue Flag Iris, a Touch of Azure. The blue flag iris, with its striking blue blooms, brings cool serenity to the garden, its roots finding purchase in moist clay. Chapter 22. Marsh Marigold, a golden harbinger of spring. As winter loosens, the marsh marigold's yellow blooms herald spring, thriving in moist, clay-rich soils. Chapter 23. Virginia Bluebells, a Carpet of Blue. In the dappled shade of spring, Virginia bluebells create a breathtaking carpet of blue, their roots nourished by moist, well-drained clay. Thank you for joining us on this journey through beautiful plants that thrive in clay soil. Happy gardening! Even challenging soils can become havens for life, beauty, and color. With careful selection and love, your clay garden will flourish, bringing joy and wonder. Until next time, may your gardens be filled with birdsong and the hum of bees.